Hello friends, welcome to Techniques channel. Today I will show you how to install the Spring toolsuit in the Eclipse. Then first open your Eclipse, click on the help, click on Eclipse Marketplace. Then here you type the STS Spring toolsuit. Then here you place the enter. STS, place enter. Here you get the number of Spring toolsuit. I will install one. Then click on install. Confirm. I accept all terms and click on it. Then finish. After that, installing, then restart now Eclipse ID. It takes some time. After that, you will see the Spring dashboard. See.
It and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.